I have a pressure cooker, and you know how it works. When there are some ingredients that are very hard and you need to cook them, then you put them in here. When you heat this, it gets a lot of pressure inside, so these hard ingredients can be cooked and eat after. But we have the risk of having an excess of pressure, and that's why we have this security valve, in order to release that pressure that is not needed and to avoid an explosion. That's what happens with human being. Our character is cooked when we are under pressure, but God has a security valve that allows to relieve our pressure when it's far beyond of what we can support. That's what it says in 1 Corinthians chapter 10 verse 13. God will never allow you to be overcooked. He has always a security valve to assure that you go through the right process.